Hey you guys, welcome back to day number 2 of my 30-day live Facebook challenge. I'm a few minutes late making it to that 12 o'clock commitment, but that was for a special reason. It was because I'm here hosting an open house out at 15957 Meadowwood Avenue in Southfield, Michigan. Just got the house set up. I got some signs up. And I got some of my special goodies in there. I might show you guys those in a second, but here I am to just kind of tell you about the open house and invite you to it. It is a cute little ranch out in Southfield. It would make a great alternative for someone that's looking for a condo, but that would prefer, a single family ranch instead. So the home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, little ranch. Which makes it great if you have any elderly family members or anyone in a wheelchair. It's almost on half an acre, which is pretty, secluded and private for the Southfield area. It's right off of Greenfield Road, so that's nice. There's a lot of shopping and restaurants and everything close. And yeah, it's a little brick home. Getting up to the home area, and here's the home. It's got a nice little I say little, but it's a large 2.5 car garage. One thing that I love about this lot too is it's got a lot of wooded area, so it does feel nice and secluded even though you're just, right in the city. And yeah, let me take you through just a little bit of it. So if you guys are out in Southfield and looking for some homes, this would be a great one to come check out. It is priced at $265. And yeah, you walk right into their living room space. Obviously, there's still a family living here, so please bear with me with some of the stuff that they have out for their children and everything. But yeah, a nice little living room area over here. And then they have like a little play space set over here for their child. Walk into the kitchen area, which has brand new stainless steel appliances. A nice formal dining room right here. Show you some of my goodies in a second. Also walks out to, a backyard where you can they have a little trampoline, but you could have like a little sitting area and all that. And then the bedrooms are over this way. Here's one of the bathrooms. Let me turn the light back on. And then we come over here to a couple of all 3 bedrooms. We've got the master over here with its own little, ensuite in the master. So that's a plus, as you all know. Got another bedroom right here, which is nice for, being close to the family and everything. And then another bedroom slash office space over here. Yeah, so it's on a crawl. But great area of Southfield, and a great little place for you to have like a first home, or maybe downsize if you're someone that is a little elderly and looking to kind of downsize. So this is the bedroom over, or I was gonna say the bedroom, excuse me, that's the garage over in that way. Yeah, got some nice laundry right here off the first floor because it is just a ranch, which makes it nice. You don't have to, worry about going up and down all those flights of stairs with your laundry. And that's what I'm up to today. So I'll be here until 3 o'clock, hopefully hanging out with some people, showing them this beautiful little home. Let me flip this over, or here, let me show you some of my little setup. Did I do a nice job this time, you guys? Got my goodie bags over here with like one of my little cards in it, some candy in it. Got my book, one of my copies of my book here. I have some more coming in on Monday, so if you haven't gotten yours yet, just remember it's still coming. I haven't forgotten about you. And yeah, got my buyer guide, which is filled with a lot of great info, along with my little seller guide, which has information for if you're interested in listing your home. And that's what I'm up to. So please come join me between 12 to 3 o'clock. As I said, it's I'm pretty sure, let me double check. 15967, 15957 Meadowwood Avenue, and I will be here till 3 o'clock in Southfield. Please reach out and I will get you any information that you need, and it's great to see you all. Thanks for joining me. Oh, as a reminder, if you are watching this live, please leave me a hashtag live so I can say hello to you, or if you see it later on the replay, leave me a hashtag replay, and I'd love to shout you out later. So thanks for those that joined me right now. It's so good that you connected with me, and I can't wait to show you more. All right, bye you guys. Have a great Saturday. Talk soon.